In this video, we're gonna go over basically how, showing you how this is nothing crazy. This is just interacting with a computer, and it's right here. This is just the interface for acting with the computer, right? Interacting with the computer. So as you see, I go to folder 1, there's nothing. Folder 2, there's nothing. And then I go over here to terminal, and I just go ls, and I see there's folder 1. And I cd into folder 1. And ILS, I'm like, what's in here? Nothing's in here, right? Just like we know. I'm going to bounce back out of it, and then I'm going to cd into folder 2. ls, and there's nothing in there, right? So let me just clear this out. Every now and then it's really nice to just clear out your terminals. Gets rid of all the gunk, right? And we're gonna just do folder 2. I'm just gonna new item in here and file.js, right? Right, then I'm gonna add contents, file.js, right? And then I'm going to do quotes. I'm just gonna do a bunch of this right here. Okay, and that is not what I wanted to do. What I wanted to do was add content. So we're gonna get rid of that. Add. But you see how finicky sometimes this can be. JS, right? And it's not gonna let you know if you're messing up. It'll only give you the confirmation of basically displaying no message, right? So it's a little bit different than probably a lot of things you've done before, right? Okay, so now we have some text in there, right? And now what we're gonna do is we are going to open this file inside a text editor. So we have it, this file is in folder 2, and we're just gonna go into folder 2 right here. You see that? It is not Witchcraft. We have a JavaScript file in here. So I can right click this. I can say edit with Notepad++. And there it is. Wow, that is what we input into that. And I can also go here and open with Visual Studio Code. And it is right there. That is what it is. Right? So you can see that we're doing exactly what we thought we were doing, which was interacting with the computer file system so that we could make directories and put files in. And there you are. There's proof right there that it's basically the same thing. I could also have done something like file, new file, some text in here, and then I'll save it, and I'll save it as text.txt, right? And then look right here, there it is, text.txt, right? And then we go in here and let me ls, and there it is, right? Text.txt. So it also goes to show that like anything that you're messing with inside of the terminal is also accessible inside of the GUI file system here. So you can also go here and you can just right click, and actually on this folder, let me go back here. Right click on this folder, right? You can see this. So if we actually do this, I only have a shortcut for git bash, right? If I click git bash, which is another terminal option, you can see that I'm over here, and this is what I'm in, right? So I'm just going to ls, and you can still see those same files. So that's another, just to show you too that a lot of these terminal options are basically the same. They're all viewing the same thing on your computer. And that's something that, you know, really helped me. Like, you have to demystify what the terminal is and what it's doing, because I thought it was a matrix before I messed with it, and I never touched it. So anyhow, this is just sort of a lesson in how to view things in the terminal, but also inside of your file explorer, and see that yes, things are real and they're here, and you can access them in multiple ways.